Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Gabe with Indigo Software, genuine Microsoft software for less. If you haven't already noticed, we are at a new desk setup and we wanted to do a little bit of like a desk tour and kind of show you guys the new setup for the channel. So I'm working on putting together an office, which is not done yet, but for the most part, the desk is done. And this video is going to be focusing on how we put together the desk, what products I chose, and why I chose them. Before we get started with that, if you're interested in genuine Microsoft software at a great price, check out Indigo Software. We'll put links down below. So without further ado, let's get started. All right, so throughout the video, when I talk about a specific part of the desk, I'll have a B-roll shot playing over the video so you guys can kind of see what I'm talking about. I'm just gonna go handheld here, but wanted to give you guys a little bit of a tour of the desk. So we have a laptop here on a riser. This is my M2 Pro MacBook Pro, and the actual top to the desk that I went with is from Home Depot. And it's a pre-finished butcher block with a live edge, 6 feet by 2 feet. So I'm pretty happy with how the actual desk itself turned out. I think it looks really good. And then the legs for the desk I got on Amazon. We'll put links to everything in the description in case you guys want to pick something up for yourself. Yeah, the legs were on Amazon, maybe about $100 for the pair. And then there is the computer. There's the dog. And yeah, so we've got the laptop riser off to the right, have a desk mat here with the mouse, keyboard, and then I like this little desk shelf that I got. Got this from a company called Bololo. So this is a pretty cool addition. It's like a modular design for accessories and such. So I've got a little MagSafe holder there. Got my toothpick dispenser. Let's see what else we got. iPad holder. Again, this is also attached to the shelf. And then a little tray as well that it came with, so that was pretty cool. And then back there, we've got some monitor arms. I picked that up on Amazon. It's a brand called EVO. And we have the 2 monitors. One of these is an Asus ProArt display with the calibrated colors. So kind of use that one primarily for video editing, at least for the display. And then this is a Samsung OLED monitor. At some point, I'll replace one of these so that they're both the same. It was kind of a rookie mistake. And then we've got a little webcam up there. So other than that, got some speakers. I also found those on Amazon. They're actually Bluetooth, so pretty nice little stands for them as well. And I have a few levitating light bulbs. So nothing too crazy, but I really dig the aesthetics of how I put this together. I've got a softbox there, which will be mounted on the wall after I paint it. The wall's going to get painted kind of a charcoal color. And we're going to do some shelving and stuff like that. So trying to make a really nice quality studio for the channel. And I'm sure you guys will see it progress over the next few weeks and months. So pretty excited about this. Let me know, what questions you guys have about the setup or whether you like it. Or even if you guys have specific suggestions for me, I'm totally all ears and willing to hear that as well. So this is the new desk setup, and it's just the beginning of this new office/studio for you guys. So we're really upping the production value, and we're excited to make more videos for Indigo Software this year. All right, that's going to do it for this video. If you're interested in genuine Microsoft software for less, we'll put those links in the description box below. And as always, we strongly encourage any video topic ideas you guys may have. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.